Now let's look at some rock style patterns. In this first example, we've got a D pattern. And what we're going to do there is we're going to play 2 notes at a time. Take a look at the tab. You've got the 4th string open for that whole line. While you're doing that, you've got your 2nd fret on the 3rd string. I'm using my 1st finger, my pointer, to play that. So I hit those 2 together. One sound again, just like a chord. We do that twice. And then we add, I use my ring finger. You could use your pinky too. I use my ring finger for the 3rd string, 4th fret. And that's what we've got on this line. Let's play it together. And the counts, these are 8th notes. We're playing 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. If you can get that count going in your head, or count it aloud if you need to, make sure you're putting this finger down, the 4th fret, that'd be the ring finger, or your pinky, on the 2nd and 4th beats. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Here we go. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and. 1 and 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 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now the A pattern is the same thing over a string. So if you move your finger up and you pick the next 2 strings, the 5th string open, as you can see from the tab, that's open for the whole line. And then you have 2 and 4 on the 4th string. So here's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. 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 And the E pattern, just move over 1 more string. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. 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 Very good. Now what we need to do is put that together into a song. A 12-bar blues progression, 12-bar blues in A. We have 4 measures of the A pattern. That's the one where you're on the 5th string and the 4th string. Then we have 2 measures of the D. That's when you're on the 4th and 3rd strings. We go back to the A for 2 measures. And the last line, that's the trickiest one. We go from the 6th and 5th string for the E, jump down to the D, and end it with 2 measures of A. And the last measure. Here we go. Let's play it together. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. 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 1 and 2 and 3 and switch. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and switch back. 2 and 3 and 4 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and E. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 D. 1 and 2 and 3 4 A. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Very good. You know what to do. Take the time. Again, there's no substitute for the practice. I can't stress the practicing time enough. I can't stress the pick position, your hand position, using all the proper technique. It's going to go a long way. It's going to make your playing sound better, and it's going to make this whole learning process easier. So take your time. Work on everything that you've got here, one thing at a time. And like I said, this will probably take you about a week or so to get through. And in the following weeks, it's just going to sound better and better as you review it and as you go over this stuff. Good luck.